Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shazani. Today our topic is how to install Visual Studio in Windows 10. So let's go. First of all, you have to open your PC browser or Google Chrome. Type here download Visual Studio. You will see the first link of Visual Studio. Click on it. Scroll down, then you will see that there are three versions: community, professional, enterprise. Community is free, professional and enterprise are trial based version. It's also paid, so you have to pay to get these version. Community is free, you have to download it from it here. Um, we can download it from another link. Scroll down, and you will see that in which preferable language you want to work. Select those languages that uh, in my case I have to work in C++, C sharp, .NET. So scroll down, you will see that there is a link of Visual Studio. Click on Community 2022. You will see that the downloading will start. Visual Studio setup file will downloading. After downloading, click on it. You will see that the Visual Studio setup will start. After that, you will see the window that the Visual Studio started downloading the Visual Studio. Wait until the downloading will finish. After downloading, you will see the interface of Visual Studio like this. You have to select create a new project. In my case, I have want to work in C++. We click on empty project, click next. Here you can type your project name, my project. This is a location where you want to store the project, and then click on the create. After that, you will see the interface that here you can write code. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.